Today is day 6 of our Biology Domination Crash Course. No new chapter today, because today we find out if you actually learned anything this week. This is your active recall challenge. We're going through days 1 to 5, the living world, biological classification, plant kingdom, animal kingdom, and morphology of flowering plants. But this time, I'm going to ask the questions NEET actually asks, not what you think NEET asks. The real traps. Stay focused. Let's begin.
Let's start with day 1, the living world. Quickfire. Binomial nomenclature. Who gave it? Most students say Haeckel because they confuse it with the three kingdom system. Wrong. It was Carl Linnaeus. Now, what is not a defining property of life? Growth, reproduction, metabolism? Trick. Even non-living things like crystals can grow, so growth alone isn't the answer. The key property unique to life is cellular organization and metabolism together. And ICBN, International Code of Botanical Nomenclature, governs plants. ICCN governs animals. Don't flip these in the exam. 1 mark gone just like that.
Biological classification. 5 kingdoms, given by R.H. Whitaker in 1969. Lock that year in your memory. Now, mycoplasma, smallest living organism, no cell wall, still placed in Monera because it's prokaryotic. NEET loves asking this. Euglenoids are the sneaky ones. They photosynthesize like plants, but they're in protista. Why? Because they have no cell wall. They're unicellular, and they can also be heterotrophic. Classification is based on overall features, not just one trait. That's the logic NEET tests. Plant kingdom. This is where marks are lost to careless errors. Dominant phase in bryophytes, gametophyte. In pteridophytes, sporophyte. NEET will flip this. Pteridophytes are the first land plants with vascular tissue, xylem and phloem. Gymnosperms have naked seeds. They do not form fruits. Angiosperms do. If NEET says seeds enclosed in fruit, that's angiosperm only. Gymnosperms also have the largest ovules and the longest living trees like pinus. Make a quick mental map. Bryo, no vascular. Pterido, vascular no seed. Gymno, seed no fruit. Angio, seed with fruit. Animal kingdom. And yes, the frog is now officially in your NEET syllabus. Pay attention. Annelida has a true coelom. Platyhelminthes, acoelomate. Nematoda, pseudocoelomate. Echinodermatata has the water vascular system. Starfish, sea urchin. These are deuterostomes, same lineage as vertebrates. The frog belongs to class Amphibia. Cold-blooded, 3-chambered heart, lay eggs in water, breathe through skin and lungs. NEET 2024 asked about frog anatomy directly. Do not skip it. Morphology of Flowering Plants. Fastest marks in NEET if you know your modifications. Carrot, conical taproot. Turnip, napiform. Radish, fusiform. These are all taproot modifications for food storage. Leaf venation. Parallel means monocot, like grass, maize. Reticulate means dicot, like mango, hibiscus. Germination. Epigeel, cotyledons come above ground, like in bean. Hypogeel, cotyledons stay below ground, like in gram and maize. NEET has asked this every alternate year. Don't guess. Memorize the examples. Rapid fire time. I'll give you 10 questions. Pause after each one if you need to think. 1. Which kingdom has no nuclear membrane? Monera. 2. Riccia belongs to which group? Bryophyta. 3. How many chambers in a frog's heart? 3. 4. Coelom absent in? Platyhelminthes. 5. Venation in banana leaf. Parallel, monocot. 6. Who gave binomial nomenclature? Linnaeus. 7. Water vascular system found in? Echinodermata. 8. Dominant phase in pteridophytes. Sporophyte. 9. Mycoplasma has no cell wall. 10. Epigeel germination example. Bean. How many did you get? 8 and above, you're NEET ready. Below 6, go back and revise. No shame, just strategy. That's day 6 done. You've now actively recalled 5 full chapters. That's not just reading, that's real preparation. If you struggled anywhere today, that's your signal. Go back to that chapter tonight. Don't move forward on a shaky foundation. Today we start week 2 with Anatomy of Flowering Plants, tissues, meristems, and more. Subscribe so you don't miss it. Drop your rapid-fire score in the comments and download the full notes from the link below. See you tomorrow. Keep dominating.